I can see the subject, and also I can check how many people attend the meeting. Also, there is a camera support the sign-in, and this one I can also support use our mobile phone to make the booking, to booking the meeting room. And here also built in the central control function. Like I can control the lighting. You see that one connect to the third party. Also control the air conditioning and the curtain. That one. Yeah. And for this one, we can have after the meeting there is a report like which meeting room is the most popular one, and also we can check like this meeting room that have conference system. I will know whether the conference system work well or not. So it's very intelligent. Here is the meeting to subject to have the meeting, the agent, the meeting task. Okay. Like this one is occupied. I cannot it's good. I cannot make the booking for it. Yeah. And this is the meeting calculation. Which meeting room is the most popular one and how many hours. Yeah. And also I can download some meeting file. This external meeting. Okay. Now we move to this one. This is our command center solution. Use our VMX system. Here. Yeah, we can come from here. For this one, it is VMX system. Also built in the KVM function like this one. I have why we call VMX visual management system. That means it's the convenient to control the video and audio together. Like this one, I have one keyboard. I can control the other screen. I don't need to maybe in another meeting room. I also have another KVM seat. So I can one keyboard. I can manage all the screen together. Also, we can install the software in the tablet. Like in the meeting room, I have different signal. Like we have video conference. I want to show another showroom the content to the screen. Then I can use the tablet. When I jack here and when I okay, when I jack here the screen to the middle. For this one, maximum open 16 windows, and we can make the layout 16, the maximum 16 layout. Yeah. And also we can make the zoom in, zoom out. So compare with the traditional one, they will use the metric, but this one we use VMS. Firstly, this is IP based, so the transmission better. Like this one, system transmission lower than 16 MX. And the second one, the metric, they don't have like this one visual management function. So I have this software. I can control this meeting room the lighting. If I have the paperless, I have another device. I can control the power on, power off. So just like use the tablet, I can control everything in the command center. Yeah. And also for this one, also built in the AI function. Like I can use the AI gesture. Use my finger with the camera to make the screen zoom in, zoom out, and also move the screen. Also have the AI detective, like this one, maybe something dangerous, or some worker maybe don't wear the helmet, and then it will have the fire alarm signal to the speaker to another system. Yeah, it's built in the AI detective. But this is just the screen, so this is not this just the video. This is not the real one. So show here not the fire alarm. So this also can integrate it with our IPPA system together. So no need to consider if I use maybe another brand whether they are integrated or not. But if with ITC, we are assured all the system can work together. Yeah, 那个 AI 那个演示一下。Okay. Now we show you the AI gesture. Yeah, this is very convenient. Also in the project, this will be the lock point in the TOR for the AI gesture. Also the other supplier, they don't have this function. Okay. 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 Yeah. So this is the visual management system. Here we will find here the resolution. So for our system, is use the UV 4x4x4. So we'll find the resolution compared with this one. This is more clearly. Yeah. And also this is about the latency. Here and we have the 90% power capability. Here is the jack. Also have this one also to compare is less than the 10 mx latency here. And for this one, the device BMS we use is this one. This product. We also call this node like this one is two in one. It can be the receiver or the input can be input or output box. So usually one signal with the one box. So this one, yeah. And also the layout, the wiring diagram is very easy. All connect to the network switch. And here is our digital conference system. This is our latest technology. We call all is full digital. Now we don't have the analog conference system. We have the different options: short mic, snake mic, and the screen, touch screen, or only the discussion like this one. Currently in China, the popular one is the short mic because they want to take a picture. So the mic roll is short, so take the picture more beautiful. Yeah, but for our conference mic, the pickup range is very long, can reach about 40 centimeters. So some clients you will consider if this short mic whether it can pick up the voice well or not. So you will compare even the gooseneck mic or the short mic, the pickup range is very good. For this one, it's used the RJ45 connection for the wireless. So also for the meeting, for some confidential meeting, we will use this wired option. And like this one with touch screen, it have the voting, sign, and here we will find there is a phone jack. Here, because our conference controller built in the interpretation function already. So with this type, I can only use the headset to plug here. I can choose the channel, like channel 1, channel 2 to hear the language. So under this solution, no need to add the additional receiver. Yeah, so this very convenient. So here different options, different size screen. And like this one, only the button, only the discussion function. And this is the chairman mic with 2 mic. And this is the interpretation system. For interpretation system, we support the 63 and add 1 the channel interpretation system. This is the interpretation unit for this one. And this is our controller, conference system controller. This is the touch screen. We can set the ID, each mobile or each microphone ID here. Also here is a USB plug, and we can download the audio. We have the record function. And for this one, this is the audio processor together. When we design this controller, we will design this one together. Because with this one, it's like the AFC. Here you can see when we open the AFC, I open many mic together. Maximum is 16 wired and 8 wireless mic together. Here is no holding. Also, it will get back to my original sound. Yeah, with this machine. Also, this is on the technology. And for the wireless mic is the 5G Wi-Fi technology. So need the AP transmitter. Is that one? That's AP transmitter. Yeah. For the wireless, converter mic is the supporter charge. Use the Type-C to charge. But the different mic, the charge are different. Yeah, like this one. Here, like this one maybe 4 or 6 battery. This maybe 2 battery. Even I only take one battery only, like I remove this one, the system is still work. Yeah, even one battery is still working. So compare with wired, wireless don't have the phone jack to hear the interpretation. Don't have the interpretation the channel. So for this one, use some meeting room. They don't want to have so many the cable, and then we'll choose this one. Also for this one, the function they don't have the voting. Maybe I have